Headstands for Beginners tutorial. Let's get straight into it. Exercise number 1. Come onto your forearms. Time for protractions and retractions. Stay strong. Drop your chest down and then push. Drop, push, drop, push. Building strength in your shoulder girdle. Drop, push, drop, push. This exercise is very important for helping to stabilize your headstands. Drop, push, and drop, push. Now, interlace your fingers. Pull your belly in. Bring your head down into the headstand position. Protract by pushing through your shoulders and lift your hips so that they are in line with your shoulders. Hold here and then come right back down. That is an excellent exercise for my beginners getting into your headstands. Let's go again. Again, press through your shoulders. Bring your head down into position, straighten your legs, and walk your feet up so that your hips are over your shoulders, over your head, continuing to push strong through your shoulders. Again, press through your shoulders, lift your hips in line with your shoulders, in line with your head. Down into your elbows. There should not be much pressure at all on your head or on your neck. That's why you're pressing through your shoulders so that your head is not pressing so harshly on the ground. And release. Good job. All right, I'm gonna turn around so that you can see what my feet are doing from this other angle. Next exercise. Come into that headstand prep position. Hips are over your shoulders. From here, you're going to lift one foot, then the other, engaging your abs, engaging your hamstrings. Go tap and tap and tap as many times as you can. This is an excellent way to build core strength and that lower abdominal strength that you need to be able to make sure that you're resting in between reps. I know that this is very difficult, especially when you're first starting and you don't have a lot of strength, but practice these exercises and I promise you that you will have your headstand in no time. All right, I'm showing you that exercise again. Remember how we started by protracting through the shoulders, pressing so that you do not have much pressure in your head or your neck, hips over shoulders, and then lifting one foot at a time. You can try not to let your hips drop down. You still want to keep your hips in line over your shoulders. Good job.